Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to search photos on WhatsApp. So what you need to do, you need to go to your WhatsApp app, and here I open it. Okay, and now suppose you want to search a photo now. So you have tons of photos on your WhatsApp. So what you need to do, you need to click on this search button, and then you can see there are lots of category coming up. One is photos, videos, links, GIFs, audios, documents. So what you need to do, you need to click on photos, and then you can see there are tons of photos I have in this WhatsApp. So what you need to do, if you want to find a specific photo, you will search the name on here. So suppose I'm just gonna show you with searching a letter. Well, let's search with S. Okay, so suppose we're gonna this is a photo starts with S. So just like that, you will search the photo name, and then you can get the photos. So yeah, that's how you will get it, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.